Greetings everyone. Welcome to Codeleaks. This is Mariam Anwar. Before getting into the video, I would like you to visit our website. It contains quite helpful stuff regarding different software technologies like HTML, CSS, Python, JavaScript, and many more. Being a developer, you might come across with the need of images in your application. Python provides that ease with images just like any modern high-functioning tool. In this video, we will learn how to display images on the screen in Python. First of all, we need to install the Pygame module in our environment. With this command, I am writing in the terminal. As you can see, it is installing. Pygame is a module in Python that can be included to assist applications by video games, graphics, and sound libraries. After the installation of Pygame module in the environment, we will be importing Pygame in our program on the top of our file. Next step, we need to initialize the required Pygame module before using them. Now, I will be setting the width and height variable as display width is equals to 800 and the display height is equals to 600. Next step, we will create a display surface object in which the image will have the space to be displayed. Surface is equals to pygame.display.setMode, display width and display height. Okay. Now let's just set the caption for the window, that is pygame.display.setCaption, and I will be setting the caption as image. In the next step, we have to create a surface object in which the image is drawn onto. Display image is equals to pygame.image.load, and yes, this is the important step. Here we have to copy the location path of the image we want to get displayed. So I am just copying the location path and pasting it here. And I have saved the image with the name download. So typing here the image name with the extension. Next step, we will initialize an infinite loop that will be continuously project the image on the screen, and it will stop when we will close the window. Here I have used the while loop. This loop will only break when the event is quit. Then both the program and display would exit. If the event is not quit, then the program will continue to display image by updating the event. I will be using their one method, that is blit method, is the key to which the object is being copied to the displaying surface and the image to give a view on the screen. The for loop says for event in pygame.event.get, in the conditional statement, if event.type is equals to pygame.quit, then pygame.quit. Okay, it's pretty simple. Now quit, and lastly we have pygame.display.update. Now just run the code and enjoy your output. Look, the caption is the same as we have provided in our code, and this is the image we want to get displayed. See how easy it was. So this is how you can display an image on the screen in the Python. Okay, so that's all for today's topic. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share. And yes, press the bell icon for latest updates.